Today I tried first time Infusible ink with Cricut. I first placed the mat and this is the design I did with the Cricut, and after that I started with the design, and then I realized that this material is hard to weed. It was not easy, and first I started cutting extra material, and then I was weeding, and this is the material, and the design was damaged. I wasn't able to weed properly, so then I thought to do it separate. I just want to check first time, so this is the first I did, and I like the result. Overall I like the Infusible ink material. It infused with the shirt, and you need cotton or polyester mixed material. So then after that was a leftover flower and some pattern, so I just spread it out all over the t-shirt because I don't want to waste it. And this is I am putting the iron, and I pressed the pressure on it, and it was high heat, and as you can see that how I am doing it. Overall I like the Infusible ink, but I need to learn how you have to weed this material because it was not easy to weed for Infusible ink, and I damaged all the design. So that's me did the pattern. So I thought that there is also one flower piece left, so I was thinking to put it on the shoulder side. Me now putting the high heat here, and as you can see, let me know guys if you want to see my more tutorial like this. Also I am also learning the same time. It's my first time I was trying the Infusible ink, and overall I love the Infusible ink material, but I want to learn how to weed. So this is the final result. Let me know guys, what do you think about this?